MLGO stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at MicroAlgo stock, it's already kind of melting down, you know, $1.27, 13% correction. This is how my chart's looking like. Now, it was not just always this bearish, you know, like beforehand, like we had a very decent freaking runner with the longs. Here's that proof. You know, sitting at 14 bucks. I wanted to pull down and take it up. It's like 2 months ago. And yeah, since then, you know, we've been sitting here. The only thing that I'll care more a lot now is, I mean, if this case for me to be bullish, even like intermediate chart, it would just have to break $2, but it's 127, and the likelihood that we break the lows is quite high. I mean, I was just recently in like a sell, but break-evens got hit, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. You can see I also have previous MLGO receipts in the Discord. Other than that, if you do want to learn how I'm making 15K per month, click the first link in the description and you get my free emails and free insights.